Hi everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you to 3 of my friends here, 3 of my cleaning friends. And look, they happen to be white color as well, 3 white cleaning branded friends. Or in all seriousness, my 3 white branded cleaning equipment in the house. So next to me here is Sterra, and then over here is Tin, also known as Tineco, and then at the end there is Joey, also known as Deebot. So Sterra here is an air purifier, and then Tin, also for short Tineco, is a vacuum mop, and then at the end there, Joey, also known as the Deebot N10 Plus Shitter Robot Vacuum Mop. It so happens that they're all white color, where majority of them is in white color, with the exception here maybe for Tineco. There's some black colors here, and then white borders around and in the handle. So today I'll be introducing to you each and every one of them individually. We'll be doing a review on their tech specifications, their benefits, and how it can be helpful to you and your family, keeping the floor clean and also the air healthy and pure for you and your family's health and well-being. And each and every one of them have individual and special functions. They serve very specific purposes in the house, and also they can be remotely controlled via Bluetooth and also on the app in your smartphone. So let's start off with Sterra. Taking a step back and looking at it, this air purifier oddly looks very familiar. It reminds me of Evie from WALL-E, the white color looking robot that accompanies WALL-E in the Pixar movie. Anyway, now back to Sterra. We have here the LED ring. I think it's the main attraction of Sterra Moon. This LED ring, it measures your air quality in real time and shows you how clean or dirty your air is using the LED ring color indicator. So Sterra Moon helps to kill almost 100% of all airborne particles, you name it: dust, harmful chemicals, virus, bacteria, dust mites, mold, pollen and spores, pet furs, and etc. And especially for pet owners, Sterra Moon helps to reduce the pet fur, cat and dog furs floating around in the air. For me, having used it for a few days already, even when I could already smell my neighbors cooking, Sterra Moon already picked up the smell and cleared the air clean of the neighbors cooking. So if you use Sterra Moon in a small room, let's say the room measures 15 by m square in measurement, in size, it can clean the air in it thoroughly in less than 8 minutes, and you get to receive 280 m to the power 3 in an hour of fresh, clean air in your room or in your workspace. And you not only have clean air, but also the air purifier itself, it can work in silent mode. It operates as silent as a soft whisper at 20 decibels on its lowest fan setting, so you won't notice it running and purifying your air even at night when you sleep.
You will freak out one day you could hear.
Okay, that's all about Sterra. Now let's move on to Tin or Tineco. It is a cordless, wet or dry vacuum that promises to revolutionize hard floor cleaning. So Tineco uses its own smart sensors technology, which is the iLoop smart sensor. It takes the guesswork out of cleaning by detecting wet and dry dirt, debris, and other messes. Then the suction power, roller speed, and water flow automatically adjust to your mess, so you don't have to switch settings to adjust cleaning power. Then for the noise conscious out there, the Tineco has a low noise operation, so it runs at a low decibel of 78 decibels. So whether you want to start the day very early cleaning or very late at night after work also cleaning the house, the low noise output means you can clean comfortably without disturbing your neighbors. The S5 is all about convenience. Whether your house floor is parquet, marble, or tile floor like ours, the Tineco Floor One S5 gets the job done. And you can monitor your mess with the smart iLoop display. The iLoop ring on the full color LED screen changes from red to blue. So if it's red, it means that the cleaner detected a high level of dirt. But if the LED turns to blue color, that means the floor has become clean, where the Tineco is mopping and vacuuming. And then for the brush not only makes it comfortable to clean in wide areas, but you can also clean comfortably in tight angles and corners. But the downside here is that the brush only allows for single-sided cleaning. So let's say the Tineco is between 2 parallel walls, it can only clean one side easily. To clean the other side, the edges, you need to turn the Tineco around. Then after you're done cleaning, another cool feature is the self-cleaning function. Simply dock the S5 at the charging dock. So after docking the Tineco, the AI system will detect and via voice prompting and notify that the Tineco needs cleaning.
Auto-detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
So simply press the cleaning button at the top then the Tineco will automatically wash and dry the microfiber rollers itself.
Cleaning brush roller.
Then, after the vacuum self-cleans, the voice prompt lets you know when the dirty water tank needs emptying.
Please clean dirty water tank.
So that means you still need to do some post-cleaning maintenance. While the self-cleaning dog is awesome, you still need to empty the dirty water tank and rinse out the tank and filter after each use. So it's not a huge deal, but something to keep in mind. Then when in dock, the Tineco will automatically recharge itself.
Charging has commenced.
So this brings us to the battery life. While decent, it might not be enough for very large houses. You might need to recharge halfway through cleaning. So for us, we stay in a double-story house. So we use the Tineco upstairs and downstairs. And by the time we finish cleaning upstairs, it's already about 60% battery. So with that, you probably want to be mindful about the battery life of the Tineco. Okay, now let's move on to the last person here, and that is Joey or the Deebot. While researching for a robot, I found there are a few requirements that the robot has to fulfill. Number one, the robot has to have a vacuum and mop function. That means 2-in-1 function. Because most robots out there generally only have one function, and that is to vacuum or to sweep the floor. Secondly, the robot has to have long battery life. Because the robot will be mopping and vacuuming multiple stories or 2-story houses, so the robot has to have a long battery life in order to vacuum both upstairs and downstairs, or maybe even like a 3-story house, first floor, second floor and third floor. Then number 3, corresponding to the second requirement, the robot has to have a multi-mapping system or a multi-level mapping system. Because if I want the robot to clean on the first floor and then move up to the second floor, I need to have 2 maps, one for the second floor and one for the first floor. Or if the house has different levels, or it's a multi-story house with a multiple mapping system, you can save different levels and floors and maps in the system and app. So this Deebot N10 Plus checks all the 3 requirements that I mentioned earlier. So here is the robot in action. Because the house has different floor types, we have run it on marble floor, tile floor and parquet floor. The robot has a powerful and maximum suction power of 3800 PA. The robot will go around objects like chair and table legs. And then in an open area, it will clean in a zigzag or up and down motion. Then when it comes into contact with floor mats, carpets or rugs, the robot will work around the floor mat, carpet or rug. Then the robot is built with a long battery life and capacity. It has an upgraded 5200 mAh battery. The robot cleans up to 300 minutes on a single charge or water fill, easily covering 400 square meters. Then when it's done cleaning, the robot will go back to the station. So in this N10 Plus, it comes with 2 charging stations. So this makes it efficient to station the robot and the station, one downstairs and another upstairs. So downstairs we put the station with the dustbin, then upstairs we just put the charging station. So with the station with the dustbin, after cleaning you can check and see the amount of dirt in the dustbin. Anyway, back to the robot. After cleaning, you can check and see the amount of dirt in the dustbin. Then to clean the robot and the dustbin, just wash the dustbin under water and then dry out under sun. The dustbin, mop and reservoir. So they've been a great help around the house, especially with Sterra, keeping the air clean and healthy, and then with Tin and Joey, keeping the floor, all types of floor, from marble to tiles to parquet and wood flooring, every nick and corner and every wide area here clean and smooth. So that's it. I hope you found today's video helpful and also got a chance to meet each and every one of them individually to know more about their functions and what they do and how they can help you benefit in and around your home. If you want to get them individually or as a group, you can get them in the link below in the description. You can use my referral link. For every successful sale that is made and completed, I'll earn a small commission from the sale and no extra charge and cost to you. And with that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.